Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a day in my life as a content creator. Today I'm filming for YouTube, planning on Notion and getting things done. So let's go behind the scenes. First thing first, I always start my content days by opening Notion to check what's on the schedule. Planning helps me stay consistent and less overwhelmed. So this is where I plan all my content. I try to stay consistent, but let's be honest, it's not always easy. I use Notion to organize what videos I'm filming, when I'm posting, and even keep my caption ideas in there too. Sometimes I just open the app to feel like I have my life together. But today we're actually getting things done. Content day is serious business. I try to batch film as much as I can so I'm not overwhelmed. This helps me stay on track without burning out. Honestly, planning first makes filming feel 10 times easier. Time to batch film some TikToks and YouTube videos. I keep my setup simple, good lights, my phone and a plan.
You and I forever.
This is the part no one talks about, editing. It takes time, but it's where the magic happens. So I'm just trimming clips, adding soft transitions, and making sure the vibes match the vision. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you find it interesting, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.